Hello everyone, today we have got CC-510, that is our chilling controller. So you can see on the display we have got 3-line display. Okay, so we have got the option of decimal point also in the model, and the model name is CC-510. So we are having 4 different buttons: set button, enter button, and the increment and decrement button. On the right hand side on the sticker we have got the terminal connections, and also we have got the NTC sensor that will be connected with the meter, and that will be provided with the meter itself. So on the left hand side these 2 terminals are for the sensor terminals. Then we have got the line and neutral, and also we have got the isolation between the line and neutral, and the other 3 terminals are the common NO and NC, that is for our relay. Now moving on to the wiring connections. So NTC probe is already connected with the meter itself. Now what we have done is, in line we have given one phase, and in the neutral we have given one neutral wire. So from line we have looped it to common, that is our C, and from NO we have taken one LED. Okay, so whenever the relay gets on, our LED will get on, and the second terminal of LED we have given it directly to the neutral of the meter. So whenever the relay is on, our LED will be on. Whenever the relay is off, our LED will be off. Now you can see that we have got the relay of 10 ampere. So a load of 10 ampere in resistive side, you can connect it directly to the relay. If your compressor is taking more than 10 ampere, so you can connect one contactor for the switching of the compressor through our relay. So whenever the relay is on, your compressor will be on. Whenever the relay is off, your compressor will be off. So now moving on to the parameter settings video. Now as soon as I'll power on the instrument, so it is showing the current process value right now. So the room temperature right now it is 25.9 degrees, and you can see this dot blinking. So that is the delay time of the controller. That means it is taking a delay time to start the compressor. Now if you press set button once, so it will show you the set value. Again set. So the current set value by default it is 10 degrees Celsius. With the help of up and down key, you can change the temperature of your CC-510. Now to go in the programming settings, we'll press this set button continuously. On the display F1 will come. So F1 is our mode selection. So you can set the instrument in cool mode or in the heat mode. Again by pressing set button, F2 will come. So F2 is our set high limit. So above this set high limit in the display, it will show you high message. So with the help of up and down key, you can set your higher value. Let's say if I'm setting it 50 degrees. So whenever my temperature is going above 50 degree on the display, it will show an high message alarm. So let me make it 30 degrees. Okay, now again we'll press set button. So F3 is our set lower limit. It is for the lower range. Again set button, F4 will come on the display. So F4 is our hysteresis value, that is our tolerance value. Let's say my set point it is currently it is 10 degrees Celsius. So 10 plus 3 degrees Celsius. So above 13 degrees Celsius, my compressor will again get on. Again we will press set button. So F5 will come. So F5 is our offset value. So in the case of calibration, if you want the values to be changed manually, so you can press up and down button and you can calibrate the sensor according to your requirement in F5 mode. Again we will press set button, F6 will come on the display. So F6 is for the time delay between compressor and relay start. So as you see, when we first power on the controller, the time delay was blinking. So by default there is a time delay of 3 minutes. So if you want to make it 0, you can just make it 0 and press set button. So it will go on the next parameter. So you can see our LEDs has get on as the delay time we have made it to 0. Again Even is the prop failure condition. Means let's say if any case our prop gets failure, so what will happen? By default it is set on 2. So in 2 what will happen, that is the controller itself will perform one duty cycle of 10 minutes on and 4 minutes off for the compressor. So in the case of prop failure also, your compressor will be on and off. So again, if we do not press any of the keys for 10 to 15 seconds, it will get out of the parameter setting. So we'll directly go in even and we'll press set button. So it is 2 right now. If we'll make it 1, so in 1 what will happen, in case of prop failure my compressor will be continuously on. If we'll make it 0, then my compressor will be continuously off. Again we'll press set button. So DP will come. It is the option of decimal point. If you want a decimal point on the display, you can select yes. If you do not want, you can select no. Again we'll press set button. Now we have got the option of LP, that is lock keypad. So if we will press again set button. So if it is 0, that means the keypad is unlocked, and if we'll make it 1, that means the keypad is locked. We'll again press set button. So this is the FST, that is our factory set parameter. So if you want the parameters to be factory set, you can select yes and directly press enter button to factory set the controller. Again we'll press that button. So DFM will come on the display. So that is our defrost mode. So if you want to enable or disable the defrost, you can just simply select 0 or 1. 0 stands for disabling the defrost, and if we'll select 1, that means your defrost is enabled. Again we'll press set button. F7 will come. If we'll select enable, then F7 will come. So this is for the defrost cycle. So you can set your timing in minutes in defrost cycle in F7. Again we'll press set button. So this is F8, that is the frequency of defrost cycle, that will be in hours. So if you have set 6 in this in F8 and 30 minutes in F7, so what will happen? Every 6 hours 30 minutes defrost cycle will occur in the CC-510. If we'll again press set button, so password will come on the display. So this password is to enable or disable the password. If you select 0, that means the password is disabled. If you select 1, that means the password is enabled. So each and every time if you want to go in the parameter settings, one password page will open on the display, and the password for the controller will be 39. If you press that 39 in the password and press set button, then and only you can go into the parameter settings. So again we have pressed set button, so we have came out of the parameter menu. So we have made that one. So currently it will ask for the password to go into the parameter setting. So again we will make it 39 and then press set button. Then only we can go to the parameters menu and we can change the parameters. Now same way in even, if we'll make it 2, that is the duty cycle. So we will be having one option of CN, that is our compressor off time, that is by default 4. You can change with the help of up and down button, and again CY, that is my compressor on. So you can set the on time of the compressor with the help of up and down button and press enter button. So as you can see, currently my set point is 10 degrees. So in order to achieve 10 degrees Celsius, my relay output is constantly on. So what I'll do in the set point page, if I'll make it more than 25 degrees, so my relay output will get off in that condition. So I have made it to 28 degrees, so my relay output is off. So in the parameter page also, the high set point we have made it to 30. So if I'll increase the temperature of this sensor, so what will happen? Above 30 degrees Celsius, it will show me an high alarm. So if I'll heat the sensor, so you can see above 30 degrees Celsius, it has shown me the high alarm on the display, and my set point was 28 degrees and hysteresis was 3. So 28 plus 3, above 31, my relay has get on. At 28 degrees Celsius again my relay output will get off. Thank you.